Did you know that certain vegetables can actually spike your blood sugar levels? If you're diabetic, you need to know which ones to avoid. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone managing diabetes. We all know that a balanced diet is key to maintaining stable blood sugar levels. But did you know that not all veggies are created equal when it comes to diabetes management? While vegetables are generally considered healthy, some can be surprisingly bad for diabetics due to their high carbohydrate content or glycemic index. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 vegetables you should steer clear of to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Understanding which veggies to avoid can make a significant difference in managing your diabetes effectively. So, let's get started and take a closer look at these common culprits. Let's start with a vegetable that's a staple in many diets: potatoes. While they might be delicious and versatile, potatoes are high in starch, which the body quickly converts into sugar. This rapid conversion can lead to significant spikes in blood sugar levels, making potatoes problematic for diabetics. The high glycemic index of potatoes means they can cause sudden and sharp increases in blood glucose, something every diabetic wants to avoid. But don't worry, you don't have to give up comfort foods entirely. Instead of reaching for regular potatoes, try healthier alternatives like cauliflower mash or sweet potatoes. These options have a lower glycemic index and are packed with nutrients, making them a much better choice for keeping your blood sugar level stable. And discover even more delicious alternatives that can help you stay on track. Next up is corn, another beloved vegetable that can be problematic for diabetics. Corn is a starchy vegetable that can raise blood sugar levels, especially when consumed in large amounts. What's more, corn is often processed into products like corn syrup, which can be even worse for your blood sugar. These processed forms can lead to even more significant spikes in glucose, making it crucial for diabetics to monitor their corn intake closely. But don't fret. There are plenty of delicious and healthier alternatives. Consider opting for non-starchy veggies like leafy greens or bell peppers. These options are low in carbs and won't cause the same blood sugar spikes as corn. Plus, they add a variety of flavors and nutrients to your meals. Stay with us as we continue to uncover more surprising vegetables to avoid, and share fantastic alternatives that can help you maintain a balanced diet and better manage your diabetes. Moving on to peas, another vegetable that might seem harmless but can be troublesome for diabetics. Peas contain a significant amount of carbohydrates, which can impact your blood sugar levels. With a moderate glycemic index, they can cause a noticeable rise in blood glucose, making them less ideal for those trying to manage diabetes effectively. It's important to keep an eye on your portions and consider the cumulative effect of carbs from different sources. But there's no need to worry, as there are excellent alternatives available. Instead of peas, try incorporating green beans or snap peas into your diet. These options are lower in carbs and have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They provide a satisfying crunch and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. Keep watching as we reveal more vegetables that might be sabotaging your blood sugar control. Carrots. While they are undeniably nutritious and packed with vitamins, carrots contain more sugar than many other vegetables. This higher sugar content can be problematic for diabetics, as it can contribute to spikes in blood sugar levels. It's a common misconception that all vegetables are equally good for managing diabetes. But the natural sugars in carrots make them less ideal for maintaining stable blood glucose. But don't worry, you can still enjoy crunchy, refreshing veggies without the added sugar. Try substituting carrots with celery or cucumber, both of which have significantly less sugar and are great for snacking or adding to salads. These alternatives provide the crunch you love without the blood sugar concerns. Stay tuned as we uncover the final vegetable on our list, and share more tips on making diabetes-friendly food choices that are both delicious and nutritious. Finally, let's discuss beets. While beets are often praised for their vibrant color and numerous health benefits, they are also known for their high sugar content. This natural sweetness can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, making beets a less ideal choice for diabetics. Consuming beets in moderation is crucial to avoid unexpected blood sugar fluctuations, which can make managing diabetes more challenging. But you don't have to give up that unique texture and flavor entirely. Opt for radishes or turnips instead. These vegetables offer similar textures but with much less impact on blood sugar levels. Radishes and turnips can be a great addition to your meals, providing crunch and flavor without the high sugar content of beets. Keep watching to recap all the veggies to dietary choices. To keep your blood sugar levels stable, it's crucial to be mindful of these vegetables. Potatoes, corn, peas, carrots, and beets should be consumed cautiously due to their high carbohydrate and sugar content, which can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels. By being aware of these potential pitfalls and opting for healthier alternatives like cauliflower, leafy greens, green beans, celery, and radishes, you can better manage your diabetes and enjoy a balanced diet. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes through diet. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. And don't forget to check out my #1 medical garden kit for your herbal medicine. It's perfect for growing in your own backyard and can significantly improve your healthy lifestyle. Remember, managing diabetes is all about making informed choices. By being aware of which vegetables to avoid and opting for healthier alternatives, you can take control of your health. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.